the mother tongue dilemma. So baie van julle het my gevra, you've been asking me, but I know my moedertaal is Afrikaans en my kinders is Engels. My mother tongue is in English, and my kids or my grandkids are not fully bilingual. They grow up Afrikaans. And what do I do if I want to write my life story for them? So the best advice I can give is start with yourself. The story is about you. And if your mother tongue is in Afrikaans, dan kies jy Memoirs van jou moeder. As jou moedertaal Engels is, if your mother tongue is English, choose the English book, Memoirs from your mother, because the poetry is all in English. And in the Afrikaans one, daar is die gedigte weer alles in Afrikaans. And then you write in the language of the reader. So here and there, of course, I would still recommend put a paragraph in your mother tongue in English, of as jy Afrikaans is, sit 'n paragraafie in jou moedertaal. Because your mother tongue forms a huge part of who you are. But of course, you have to take the reader into consideration. So, hoofsaak is begin. Geniet dit. Hierdie Kersfees, hierdie Desember is 'n guldige geleentheid. This December is the best time to start. Just a few minutes, even if you can spare every day, or at least once a week.